my fantastic subbies, Shannon Gibson Art and Designs. Thank you for being here. Anybody who is new, I appreciate you stopping by. And today's a great day. So I have this 12 by 12 tile. It's got some texture and everything in it. I'm using this as a tester for my accent table that I'm going to be doing my resined marble pour on. So the colors that I'm using today, guys, is my new go-to. Let me just adjust my camera here. My lighting. My new go-to 24 karat gold by DecoArt Decor Metallics. I'm using my favorite bronze by Artist Loft. I'm using a mixture of sterling silver by DecoArt Decor Metallics in with DecoArt Extreme Sheen, because we want this to be luxe and luxurious, and that extra shimmer does that. We've got some soft body black, and then I am addicted to my metallic white, and then I'm using the regular soft body white for the base. So the technique I'm using is a flip cup. I've done few different flip cup guys with my marble pour, so if you're looking for a tutorial or whatever, check out my marble pour playlist as well as my acrylic tips and tutorials, because I do have some useful information to help you guys create more of a realistic design and helping you layer with your flip cups. So let's get going. Okay guys, so if you're wondering, the only thing I did to this was wash it with soap and water, some regular dish soap, cleaned it off, went over it with some warm water again just to get any residue or residual stuff off it from cleaning it, and that is it.